Hello, I'm Michelle Sutton and welcome to North Oaks News. June is Cancer Survivorship Awareness Month, a time to honor the strength, resilience, and courage of survivors across our community. Today, more than 18 million cancer survivors are living in the United States, thanks to the incredible advancements in prevention, early detection, and treatment. At North Oaks Health, we're proud to stand alongside our patients at every step because survivorship is not just a milestone, it's a lifelong journey. From diagnosis to recovery and beyond, our team is committed to improving lives every time, every touch. Since opening our Oncology and Hematology Clinic, we've cared for more than 1,600 patients, offering expert treatment along with the compassion and support each patient deserves. As summer begins, we also encourage you to stay safe and healthy. Take advantage of our summer safety checklist. On behalf of our 3,200 plus team members, I want to express our deepest appreciation for the honor of caring for this community in the past, today, and in the future.